Today, we get to start the really fun stuff because you're really, truly going to act like engineers today. And the first thing we're going to do, Mike, is we're going to be thinking about the two most important parts of our whole packaging experience. And we're going to be thinking about our product, Isaac, and we're going to be thinking about the person we want to sell our product to. If I made a little chart, in order to keep a plant alive, what do you think we'd need to consider when we're making a package for it? Rach?
So that I can get sunlight.
So we know that a plant needs sunlight. What else do we know about what a plant needs?
They need lots of water.
Water. Good job, Katerina. Does someone else have another idea? AJ?
Air.
Air. So now we know what the plant needs. Now we have to be thinking about who we want to buy this plant. What are they going to want? What are we going to have to keep in mind? Brianna?
Like a healthy plant.
They want the plant to be healthy. So we better make sure we provide all these things over in this corner, correct? What else do you think the consumer would like, Michael?
Some communication.
Some communication from us. What kind of communication might they like on our packaging?
Like to tell like what kind of plant it is.
And that was very good because that truly means that we have to communicate with them on the packaging. Very nice. Can you think of another packaging need that the consumer might have, Elijah?
Portable package.
It has to be portable. Good. We're going to keep this list and we're going to observe a plant right now. What do you think about my plant?
They're dying.
If I thought about all the things that plants need, would you be able to make some hypothesis, some guesses about what needs were not met for this plant? Brianna?
Water.
Water. Ryan?
Sunlight.
Some sunlight? Yeah, I kept it hidden under a bucket because I wanted to make a point with this plant. So it probably doesn't have sunlight, it probably doesn't have water. It does have what? Soil. But here, would you touch that please? What do you think about that soil?
It's hard.
Yeah, it's really hard.
Yeah. Dry.
It's hard, it's dry. Okay. And I have a feeling that if I looked at the roots in this plant, it might not have enough space. It might need to have a different container. I'm going to give each group of 3 students a plant to evaluate. So I want you to be observing this. We are going to rate the health of this plant on 3 levels. Level 1 means that the plant is unhealthy. Would you want to sell a consumer an unhealthy plant? No. Level 2 is somewhat healthy. Maybe we could bring that back to its full health. But if a consumer bought a somewhat healthy plant and took it home, what might happen?
It could die.
Yes, and would they be happy with you as a salesperson? Probably not. And then would be the healthy plant. So, would you inspect the leaves, the stem, and down there's a part that says other? And in our case, the other would be the what?
Chilies.
The chili peppers. And see if you think it's which level would each part of the plant come under.
Yeah, they're somewhat healthy because some of the leaves have these spots.
It's level 2 because the leaves are falling down and it's half healthy.
So how are we doing on the health of this one?
I like this one.
That one is the best.
Well, this one's second best. Like this part, some of them are healthy and some of them aren't.
Okay. I'm going to have you move on. Everybody thinks they're going to like to work in groups, but when you actually have to do it and you find out that you have to share ideas, that sometimes others are not going to go the way that you want to go, it can be a little difficult. And that's a good opportunity for me to work with kids who might not have a proper reaction for that. And that's real life too, isn't it? We all don't get to work with the people we like the best, and people don't always agree with what we say and what we want to do.